Alright, so we're going to suppose we have a total of $2.25 in dimes and nickels. We have twice as many dimes as we do nickels. Which system of equations could be used to determine how many of each coin that we have? So again, we're given a situation and we need to write a system of equations that matches it. So a system of equations is a set of two or more equations that have the same variables. So it looks like, scrolling through our answer choices, our variables are going to be D for dimes and N for nickels. So let's see what we have here. We have a total of $2.25 in dimes and nickels. So you have to ask yourself, how much is a dime worth? 0.10. So 10 cents. So 0.10 D plus, now a nickel is 5 cents, so plus 0.5 N equals 2.25. So we have 10 cents per dime plus 5 cents per nickel, and we need to get to a total of $2.25. This next part here is a little bit tricky. It says you have twice as many dimes as nickels. So the number of dimes you have is equal to 2 times the number of nickels that you have. So here our second equation is going to be D equals 2N. The number of dimes that you have is equal to twice as many as the number of nickels. So 2 times the number of nickels will give you the number of dimes. And then your correct answer here is letter A.